Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the device model, serial number, and iOS version so you know which methods apply. Once you have that, make sure the original Apple ID owner information and proof of purchase are ready. This is crucial for official recovery. Connect the iPad to a stable Wi-Fi or wired network and charge it to at least 50%. Now, power the iPad on and attempt the activation screen. If you see Icloud lock, prepare to verify ownership with Apple or proceed with authorized recovery steps. You should first try Apple ID account recovery if you control the linked account. Follow two-factor authentication prompts and recovery keys when requested, because this resolves most locks. If you don't control the account, contact the original owner and obtain a signed, notarized proof of purchase to present to Apple support. This proves lawful ownership. Only prepare for DFU or recovery mode after Apple confirms next steps. Doing so without guidance can complicate verification, so make sure to document each action and maintain communication with support. You finish by taking the iPad, your ID, and the original proof of purchase to an Apple Store or authorized service provider. Present everything clearly so they can lift activation lock. If service denies the request, ask for case escalation and record the support number so you can follow up. Persistence matters. If things go wrong, double-check activation lock status using the device serial or IMEI before any appointment, and make sure screenshots or scans of purchase receipts are legible and dated to speed verification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.